When it comes to classic comfort food, and especially comfort food that can be made in only 30 minutes, this chicken tortellini soup takes the cake. It's tender pieces of chicken, plump cheese tortellini, all swimming in a savory broth with very tender and delicious vegetables. This is your midweek meal that is both comforting, delicious, and nutritious, and that the whole family will love. Get the recipe on easypeasymeals.com and follow for more simple recipes and ideas for dinner.